Hey everybody, welcome back to Butchy Boom. I'm really glad you made it. In case it's your first time here, don't forget to click and subscribe. Okay, here she is. It's the 2004 F150 XLT. You gotta pay attention to this, right where I'm pointing. Most cars have it on their same location. It's the schematic. It's the way your your serpentine belt goes back on. If you think that you can remember it, forget it. You'll never do it. And if you don't connect it properly, we'll see how that's connecting going this way here. You'll spin your gears, the timing will be shot, get a new engine. Follow your diagram. So, what we're looking at is this thing down here. I'm tapping on it. Let me turn the red handle. I don't know if you can see the red handle better. This is the thing. There's a little notch down here somewhere at the tip where I think that's called a female, and this is the male end inserts. And it pretty much loosens the belt up. 1, 2, 3, pretty easy. I'm going to give it a turn to the right with a little bit of might. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that belt? Look at that. Oh, wow. Let's just get it off that alternator. Alternator's the top one, by the way. There we go. The belt is off. Now I'm going to release this thing. I know it's going to go pretty far. It should just come loose. Probably have to send it off through the bottom. Just got to go over the fan and out. Look at that. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe. I need support. Please, please, please subscribe. Click wherever you see it. Hit my cards and thumbnails and Twitters and whatever. All right. Take care. Please subscribe.